Okay, so let us move forward towards lecture number 15. Okay, a U-tube contains water and methylated spirit separated by mercury. Let's say first draw the U-tube. તો યુટ્યુબ ખોલવાની વાત કરે છે નહીં, યુટ્યુબ મેનોમીટરની વાત થાય છે અહીંયા ભાઈ. So let me draw the YouTube manometer here. So let's say this is the YouTube manometer over here. Okay, what I am drawing is, okay, chalo, fine. Now this will be our YouTube manometer. Okay, fine. YouTube contains water and methylated spirit separated by mercury. So first let me fill some mercury over here. Let me fill the mercury. Okay, so this will be the mercury. Okay, this is the mercury, and let me show the same level both side. Okay, level will be same. Okay, so this liquid is Hg. Now one water and another is methylated spirit. Okay, so the mercury column in the two arm are in level with 10 centimeter of water in one arm and 12.5 centimeter of spirit in the other. So mercury is leveled, and in one arm there is a water. So let me show the water like this way. This much water, let's say this much water. So the length of the water is 10 centimeter, height of the water is 10 centimeter. Okay, and in another arm there is a spirit with 12.5 centimeter height. Okay, so there is here it is a spirit. Let's say, let me show spirit like this way. See, this is the spirit. Okay, 12.5 centimeter. Okay, see, water and spirit. Mercury is in level. Mercury હજી લેવલમાં છે. અહીંયા 10 સેન્ટીમીટરનું વોટર પાણી, અહીંથી વોટર ભર્યું અને અહીંયાથી સ્પિરિટ ભર્યું. ઓકે, this is the water and this is the spirit. Okay, so water has column 10 centimeter and spirit has the column 12.5 centimeter. છતાં પણ બંને મર્ક્યુરીનું લેવલ સેમ છે. એ શું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે? અહીંયા બંનેની કોલમ ડિફરન્ટ છે હાઈટ, છતાં પણ મર્ક્યુરી છે. Mercury is in level. What it indicates? આ શું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે? આ એવું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે કે water is heavier than spirit. Water is heavier than spirit. It means water has more density than spirit. બરાબર છે. 10 સેન્ટીમીટર નો જે વોટર કોલમનું જે વેઇટ છે, એનું જે વેઇટ છે એ જ એટલું જ વેઇટ 12.5 સેન્ટીમીટરના સ્પિરિટનું છે. Okay, it means spirit has less density than water. Okay, so so what is specific gravity of spirit? Specific gravity, what is specific gravity? Specific gravity is specific density. And what is specific density? Density of any substance upon density of water. What is specific density? Density of any substance upon density of water. Okay, so let us find, let me write here like this way. Here Hg is, અહીંયા છે one arm, two arm are in level. Here two water and spirit in two arms are in level. So what we will say? The pressure by 10 centimeter water column is equal to pressure by 12.5 centimeter spirit column. See, both has same pressure. તો જ મર્ક્યુરી લેવલમાં હોય ને. મર્ક્યુરી ક્યારે લેવલમાં હોય? આ વોટર કોલમ છે એનું જે પ્રેશર અહીંયા છે, સેમ પ્રેશર will be exerted by spirit column. So pressure by 10 centimeter water column pressure by 12.5 centimeter spirit column. So it will be rho GH. Here rho is the density of water and H is the height of water. G is common. Here rho spirit is S, G, H spirit. Fine. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the density of spirit. Because we want to find the specific gravity. So specific gravity find કરવા માટે પહેલા density find કરવી પડે ને. So let's find the density. G will be cancelled out. Okay. So rho S is equal to rho W HW upon HS. What is rho W? Rho W is the density of water. It will be 1000. Height of water is 10 centimeter. 10 into 10 raised to minus 2. Upon height of spirit. What is height of spirit? Height of spirit is 12.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay. So what will be the answer? Answer is rho S is equal to, what is the answer? Let me find the answer. Mercury 800 kg per meter cube. So the density will be rho S is equal to nearly 800 kg per meter cube. This is the density. So we want to find specific gravity. So specific gravity is equal to rho S upon rho W. Right? Density of substance upon density of water. That is specific gravity. Density of substance is 800. Density of water is 1000. So it will be 0.8. Okay. And it does not has any unit. So 0.8. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer of the questions. Clear થાય છે? Okay, જોઈ લો એકવાર જોઈ લો. ચલો પોઝ કરો, પોઝ કરીને લખો ભાઈ. ચલો પોઝ કરીને લખો. લખાઈ ગયું? પોઝ કરો, લખો. Okay. Now let me give you another example. मतलब same example છે. This example ને હવે આપણે આ example ને extend કરીએ છીએ. Okay. So that will be our next example. Now let me erase all the things. Okay. Figure છે એને રહેવા દઈશું આપણે. We will use this figure for some purpose. Okay, now the example number 10.10. The example number 10.10. Okay, what is that? In the previous problem, if in previous problem, if 15 centimeter of water, 15 centimeter of water and spirit each are further poured okay into the respective arm of the tube. What is the difference in the level of mercury? What is the difference in the level of mercury in two arms? Okay. Specific gravity of Hg is equal to 13.6. Okay. Now see, in previous problem, if 15 centimeter of water and spirit each are further poured into the respective arm of the tube. चलो पहले ये करिए. See, I have to pour here water. અહીંયા water છે. તો એ water pour કરવાનું. કેટલું? 15 centimeter of water and spirit in respective arm. तो यहाँ water pour करो 15 centimeter. So let me pour the water 15 centimeter. So it will be like this. So it will be 10 centimeter તો હતું પ્લસ કેટલું કર્યું 15 centimeter. બીજું 15 centimeter pour કર્યું. ઓલરેડી હતું 10 centimeter માં 15 centimeter એડ કર્યું અને અહીંયા આપણે સ્પિરિટ એડ કરવાનું કેટલું 15 centimeter of spirit also. So let me add 15 centimeter of spirit. Let's say it is like this way. So it is like this way. Okay. So this spirit level is 15 centimeter. Okay. તો શું થશે હવે જો હવે એક વસ્તુ સમજવા જેવી છે સી સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં સપોઝ આ ભૂલી જાઓ બંને 10 centimeter is what 10 centimeter of water column has the same weight as of 12.5 centimeter of spirit column. तो heavy कौन है spirit. Okay, heavy is heavy कौन है water. Spirit is हल्को. Now હવે આપણે બંને સાઈડ એડ કરીએ છીએ 15 centimeter water and 15 centimeter of spirit. તો હવે એક સાઈડ છે ઇમ્બેલેન્સ થશે કઈ ખ્યાલ આવે છે અત્યાર સુધી 10 centimeter 12.5 તો ત્યાં સુધી બેલેન્સ હતું કોણ બેલેન્સ હતું તો કે મર્ક્યુરી બેલેન્સમાં હતું બટ નાઉ 10 centimeter 15 centimeter water pour કર્યું and 15 centimeter spirit pour કર્યું હવે mercury will not remain in balance. Why? Because 15 centimeter of water is heavier than 15 centimeter of spirit. 15 centimeter of water is heavier than 15 centimeter of spirit. તો હવે શું થશે તો અહીંયા weight વધી ગયું. Here this load is higher than this load. So what will happen? This mercury will not remain in level. This mercury will not remain in level. શું થશે અહીંયા load વધી ગયું અહીંયા load ઘટી ગયું. તો આવી રીતે mercury will go down and here in this arm mercury will go up. So there will be difference in the level of the mercury. Understand? So there will be the difference in the level of the mercury. Let's say this mercury is over here. This is the water and mercury over here it will be like this way. Okay. So there will be now there will be difference between mercury level also. Okay, this much difference is in the level of mercury. So this is the mercury column. This column is for mercury. Okay. અહીંયા વોટર છે નીચે ગયું તો મર્ક્યુરી અહીંયા આવ્યું અને અહીંયા મર્ક્યુરી હતું એ મર્ક્યુરી ઉપર ગયું તો મર્ક્યુરી અહીંયા છે તો this surface and this surface both are not at same level. There is a difference between this level. Okay. તો અહીંયા भी mercury છે. Here also there is a mercury. So what will I say? चलो હું એક લેવલની વાત કરું. Let's say if I talk about this level, this is the reference line. This level. So on this level, this is completely the column of water, right? So this column of water has same weight as of this column of spirit and this column of mercury. અહીંયા હું એવું કહું છું સિમ્પલ કે આટલા વોટર કોલમ છે ને એનું વેઇટ કેટલું છે તો કે આટલા સ્પિરિટ કોલમ અને આટલા મર્ક્યુરી કોલમના વેઇટના સમેશન જેટલું. આઈ રિપીટ, this column of water has same weight as of this column of mercury, so this column of spirit plus this column of mercury. This is the spirit, okay, spirit column, and this column is for mercury, Hg. તો આટલા આ બંને કોલમ આ સ્પિરિટનો કોલમ અને મર્ક્યુરી કોલમનો તમે સમેશન કરો ને તમે હે ને એનો સમેશન કરો ને ત્યારે તમને વોટર કોલમનું વેઇટ મળે. ક્લિયર થાય છે? ઓકે ચલો. So we need to find what is the difference in the level of mercury. So difference is in the level of mercury is H. So we need to find H. What we need to find? H. Okay. So I will write here the pressure due to water column is equal to this pressure due to water column is equal to pressure due to spirit column due to spirit column plus pressure due to mercury column, HgCOLUMN, mercury column. Okay. So pressure due to water column, what is pressure due to water column? Rho GH, rho water, G H water. Pressure due to spirit column, rho GH, rho spirit, H spirit. Pressure due to mercury column, rho GH, rho HG, HHG. Mercury. Okay, chalo. We need to find HHG. What is the difference between the level of mercury? So this we need to find HHG. So this is HHG. Okay. So let us write like this way: rho Hg into G. So G will be cancelled. So G and G will be cancelled out. So what is remaining? Remaining step is rho W HW is equal to rho S HS plus rho Hg HHG. Now let me make this subject of the equation. Rho Hg HHG is equal to rho W HW minus rho S HS. So this HHG we need to find. HHG is equal to rho W HW minus rho S HS upon rho Hg. So rho W, what is rho W? Rho W is 1000. What is HW? Height of the water column. So 10 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, 25 centimeter total. So 25 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, this much minus rho S, spirit of the, what is the density of spirit? Density of spirit is 800 kg. Find the density of spirit is 800 kg. So 800 into what is HS? Height of the spirit is 15 plus 12.5. 15 plus 12.5, 27.5. 27.5 centimeter into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by rho Hg. Rho Hg, mercury's density is 30,600 kg. Okay. Specific gravity of Hg is 13.6. એનો મીનિંગ એવો થાય કે 13,600 30,600 kg per meter cube છે. That is the density of Hg. Okay, so this is. So what will be the HHG? Let me write the answer over here. HHG will comes out to be HHG will comes out to be 0.221 centimeter. 0.221 centimeter. Answer find કરવાનો છે બરાબર છે તમારે. This will comes to be 0.221 centimeter. Okay. Find કરો ચલો ભાઈ આન્સર ફાઇન્ડ કરો. સિમ્પલ છે. થોડું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવું પડશે પણ તમારો આન્સર મળી જશે. ઓકે. ચલો કેવો લાગ્યો ક્વેશ્ચન? ફાઇન છે ને એકદમ? ચલો લખો. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's meet in next lecture. Okay, and we will learn something good. So by the way, thank you very much. તમે ભણ્યા એટલે thank you.